small company, so truly every person is a really important part of our company and an important part of our culture.
Yeah.
I think it shows many of our employees have been with us for decades. They have started early in their careers and they end up staying with us through retirement. And I think when you treat employees like family and make it really clear how much you value them and care about them, it creates an environment where people don't really want to leave. And this provides such a value to our lines because we can offer stable account management for decades and really become entrenched in the companies we're working with. That being said, we're growing, so we are hiring, and developing new employees and staff has been a really big area of focus. And we're really trying to be committed to make sure that employees are well mentored and they're embraced into our team and culture, and that we're creating another generation of employees that stay for decades.
Yeah. So I like the word when you're saying it's like, a family. And I've been using that same term. And I think a few weeks ago I saw on LinkedIn was like saying, don't say that because people, families don't like each other. And I'm like, what?
I've seen all of that too.
Yeah.
I guess, families can be happy or toxic, just like companies. And I think, our family is happy and our company is happy. And it's created a really nice environment where everyone's supportive of each other.
Yeah, and I think I still like the word because, again, you can see, and when you come into an organization, you can see how they communicate or how they care about each other. If somebody is new, right, and you need a mentor or you just need that forum, right, where you can say, I have questions, where, how do I navigate within the company? So I will keep saying family, even somebody is doing.
I think the COVID years made that even more important because we were so disconnected with the outside world, and sometimes our Teams calls during the day were the most human interaction we had. And so it just made it really important to care about the people you were interacting with in a deep way.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sanna Winding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.